Come on, no. Then you getting them all dirty and messed up. You gotta put them back in the shoe, fool. Duh. I don't know. All day. Why you got on the baby jacket though? It is not even cold. It feels good. You need more iron. You more protein. Acceptable.
We might as well try to stay in Cleveland.
This is unacceptable.
You should have done like Pier looking like that. Like Pier is filthy right now. The water.
They ain't have no water this clean in Cleveland. All the water look like
this.
this.
In Cleveland, I don't even want my feet immersed in that shit.
Look at you, see that? What you get? You about to choke up a lung.
That mean I bought some good shit.
Her little feet in the sand.
Feet is up.
Look how you walking like, like this is dirty. This is dirty. You go ahead.
It feel like walking in the
He like, hurry up and get me out of here. Right. That's my booger. He like, get me. You like that? You like that sand? Oh, you like it. Hold on, don't go that way. It's hurt. It's gonna hurt. Oh, look at the helicopter. Look at helicopter. Look, Troy, up there. Ooh. Look at. Come on, once you put your down to the ankle, it's not cold. What is that?
That's just a light splash.
Right, that's just like a light splash.
It's a light splash.
Light splash. Oh. You digging your way to China too, Royal?
Yeah. I'm trying to find treasure.
Treasure. Find mommy all the buried treasure. All I need is $1 billion. About that bird.
I'm finding the One Piece.
He's scared to what? The water too dirty and scary for you. Yeah. You is such a scaredy
That
cat.
water is actually clean
in the videos,
compared to the
all
water
the
I've been
geographic, and then
You can drink that right now.
It gets you thirsty.
They don't even know.
National Geographic's the sea.
Uh-huh.
There's always an animal, or they always talk about sea animal that's hiding in the water.
Okay.
Like, in the water under the sand, there could be poisonous jellyfishes, crabs hiding under there. And like all sorts of stuff could be under the sand, hiding under the sand to catch prey.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to put your feet back in. Put your feet in them. Airplane. That's what you said. You're so cute. Hi, Airplane. Airplane. Yeah. Amen. Amen. Oh, amen. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. What's help you? Help you what? It's gonna be cold, baby.
That drop one yet. Hey, Pier. Oh, your mother can catch. stays on over there in St. Pete. On the pier. See?
With the cone.
See, I knew.
Milani,
That's the first thing
I
they
said
do.
hold on for
No.
a second, and you.
See, that's the first thing AJ did. Was, see, look, now she's zooming up.
No, I'm watching my daughter. So stupid. Talk about can't eat ice cream cone on camera. Shut up.
Top ball. I seen you, Derek. I seen you over there, bro. You was in the cut trying to hide.
Monte, whatever. He was fine eating it till you start talking crap.